It's got so much kick. For a little scooter, this thing moves so quickly. That's full throttle. It always surprises people. It always surprises everybody that a little scooter can go this fast. And that's the top speed right there. Oh my. Oh man, something just happened. Oh man. I think my scooter just died. Hold on. Something just happened. God damn. Ooh, shit. What just happened? My scooter just died. Something. I think I just broke the belt. This is not working out. Shit. Well, I think I just broke the belt. Shit. Man, what a terrible... I love this bike, and I think I just broke the belt. God damn. I was not expecting that. Well, it's not the engine, that's for sure. What it is the belt. I hear something. I'm going to shut it off. This is not a good spot to be. I want to see if I can move it over there into the sidewalk. Shoot. Boy, this is dangerous as hell. Okay. I'm going to put it right here on the sidewalk. Luckily, I'm close to my house. Dude, I didn't even test out my top speed. Wow. I was not expecting this. That was unexpected. That was very unexpected. 21,000 miles and this thing popped. I'm pretty sure it's the belt. But I don't have tools here. So I'm going to have to get it towed. Look, it starts right up. It's just something happening. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the belt that snapped. Yep. Definitely the belt. Something happened. Well, this was unexpected. I'm waiting for my tow to come in. And it's kind of nutty. I was not expecting that. This bike was functioning perfectly, and then boom, it's as if the belt snapped. But I suspect the bolt actually came loose from the transmission. I think that's really like the issue, but we're gonna find out. Okay guys, I am going to tow this thing home, and then I'm gonna show you what went wrong. I suspect that the plate on the rear came loose, and that's probably the reason. So we'll figure it out. Hopefully there's not much damage. The motor on it is excellent. It's just probably the belt or something came loose. And here we go guys. I have the bike. I trailed it home, and we're gonna see what is happening with this. It's nice and cool. Don't open this when it's hot. I did that once. While I was inspecting the bike, I noticed this. That's right, a nail. It don't seem to be losing a lot of air, but unfortunately, it just adds to the dilemmas, doesn't it? This is a brand new tire. I'm going to fast forward to the removal. If you are wondering how to remove this, you have to remove this piece of plastic first, and there's a 10mm and a bunch of bolts, Phillips heads that you have to remove. I've done this a bunch of times, so that it's just going to be kind of quick. A little bit better at removing stuff. Okay, so now remove this plastic. All 8mm, 3 here. This is just a cover. And for this one, I will need, hey, that bolt is gone. This bolt fell off. That is interesting. So we're missing a bolt. Uh-oh. Oh my God, look at this. Belt shredded. Yeah. Whew. That is very interesting. The belt, as you guys recall, the belt was a cheap version. Look at this. The belt completely disintegrated. Everything seems to be okay. I actually thought it was this. I thought that this bolt came out, but it turns out it's just the belt. And there's the Kevlar, that's the metal from the, it got tangled up here. Hopefully it didn't do any damage, so we're going to have to remove this, but I'm surprised that it wasn't this that popped out. But also, we're missing one of the large bolts. And it was here. I wonder if it shredded or broke it. Or it could have just been loose. So I'm going to have to order a new one. Wow, it completely disintegrated. Okay guys, do not buy crappy Chinese belts. That's what happens. I'm going to do a video of the cleanup. But as you can tell, it's not good. And the big mistake was buying a belt from China. So make sure that you get a Honda belt. I'm going to order one tonight. The transmission is fine. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. The belt just snapped. But yeah, not a good day. It could have been a whole lot worse. I mean, I was doing a top speed run and I was giving it the good time when it broke. Luckily, there wasn't any cars behind me. So I'm happy about that. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for updates on the PCX.